Yo, bro, I'm finna show y'all niggas how to fucking clean this bitch. See these headlights? All it takes is a nice little $12. I'm finna show y'all, man. Boom. Listen. All it takes is $10. $10 in this. Wait, wait, no. $10 bit. Alright, so look, bro. I'm gonna do one side first, just to show y'all niggas. This shit for real works. This shit only $10 too. Alright, first you gotta clean that shit up first, but you're gonna have to open this bitch. I'm gonna wipe it down first. Alright, hold up. Alright, so come here, pussy top. Come here, pussy top. This bitch looking already tight clean. Make sure what you call it. Don't get this on your paint now, cause this is gonna mess it up. For real, for real. Ooh, ooh. Oh yeah, make sure you wear some gloves too, bro. Don't want none of this skin on your hand. I'll be back. You already get the gist. Okay, so boom. It's already been like a couple minutes. I've been wiping this shit down. This shit's like dirty. Like this is just the first wipe. I'm gonna do the other one too. Use the second one. Look how dirty this thing is. It look like somebody just dumped oil on that mug. Alright, so I'm about to open up the second one. See, this thing's still tight dirty. Oh yeah, you could tape it up around the headlights, but I ain't got time for that. I'm professional, don't need no tape. See, ain't that dirty no more, but I'm gonna keep doing this shit till it's almost gone. This is the second one anyway. I'm gonna show y'all the other side after I'm done with this. Alright, finished the second wipe down. Look at the difference already. It's gonna get a little foggy, but you're gonna see after. What's the difference? I didn't touch that side yet, but it's looking better already. So now I'm gonna use that purple one. Boom. Damn, this thing stank, I tell ya. But shoot, it works. But like with this, you gotta wipe it down, and right after, ain't nobody gonna tell you this. Nobody's gonna tell you this. But I'm gonna show you what to do. Okay, so boom, I got done wiping it down, but now you gotta get a heat gun to dry it off. So look, this is what you need right now. Make sure it's not too hot either. This is what you gotta do to make it not foggy. You see them lines on there. It's gonna be shit. I'm gonna show you the other side, bro. Shit looking too nice now. Alright, so I just got done looking, heat gunning that bit down. Look at the difference. Okay, inspect. Look at this. I told y'all now. Let me get this thumbnail now. Look at that. Just $10, man. On both sides. And you can see better with them. Looks brand new, bruh. It's a whole new whip. Nah, what do you mean? Alright, man. Swipe.